Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Tushar Goyal and in this tutorial you will learn what is keyword and what is variable and how a variable can be defined and what are data types. So firstly, I tell you about keyword. A keyword is a reserved word whose definition is predefined and reside in C++ library, and a keyword is not be a variable name. For example, if I write integer class here, integer, character, float, void and class all are the keywords. So if I compile it, then it will give an error that too many declaration, too many types in declaration, so we can't use any keyword for defining our variable name. So moving further to variable, a variable is nothing about a name given to memory where our data is stored. For defining a variable, there are some rules. First rule is that we can't use a variable name with numeric character. If it did, it will give an error. Declaration, that here declaration terminated incorrectly. Second rule is that we can't use any special symbol rather than underscore for declaring our variable. But if as here I use underscore, then it will compile successfully as it did. Or we can third rule is that we can't use space in between any variable name. It will also generate an compilation error. Or so basically the rule is saying that we can't use numeric character in starting, we can't use special character in starting rather than underscore, we can't give any space in between variable name, we can't use keyword as a variable name. Or for defining a variable, we have syntax that data type name, a variable name is equal to value. There are two parts. First is declaration, second is initialization. Data type in declaration the syntax is that data type or variable name, that here I did that int ab. Here I am declaring a ab as integer data type. But second part of defining a variable is that initialization. Initialization is done when I initialize ab with some value, let's suppose 23. Now int ab is equal to 23 is an initialized. Now ab is initialized. So we so basically these two rules for defining a variable. For moving further, a variable is also known as identifier, because identifiers means that it will identify something. Here I use age is equal to 21. Now age is identifying something, that it will store age of any person. So variable is also known as identifier when it identifies something. Moving further to data type are used to defining the what data is stored in a variable. For example, here I use int age, that means age is storing a numeric type data, or we can say that integer type data whose size is of 2 bytes. And there are second type of data type is character type is storing characters. The length of character does not exceed more than 2 characters. It should be only 1 or 2, and it has one size, it has 1 byte size. As I compile it, it's saying that character constant must be 1 or 2 characters long. So I correct it. Third data type is that float percentage. Float is a data type for storing a floating type, or we consider decimal type values. Here I initialize a variable percentage whose data type is float and value is 83.230. So now it's all right. Now this program will be error free because use all naming convention in inappropriate way. So just compile it and now run it. As you see that it gives an appropriate output. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.